Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I'm boiling Githeri. Githeri is just a mixture of maize and beans. And guys, I've come to a decision that I want to migrate to another place. So that I can build there and settle there. For this house, which I'm going to show you, I will just demolish it and move to another place. Okay, when we were building the house, we were building to be a permanent place for us. We were building to a permanent place for us to stay, but we have come to realize that it's better to move because of some few challenges which I'm not going to say here. But we are going to move. So guys, as I'm talking now, I have some people who are leveling the ground in the place where I'm migrating to. And they are with my husband, so I want to fry these githeri so that I can take lunch to them. Then I will be showing how the place looks like. So watch the video to the end, guys. Don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you have not subscribed, also subscribe to this channel, guys, so that we can reach the target of the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So before I fry the githeri, let me show you the old house that I've been living. The one I'm going to demolish. So guys, this is the house. This is the one that I'm staying right now, but I'll demolish it, then move to another place, the one that I'm going to show you as I take lunch to my people. And as you can see, guys, it's just a big house. It's just a big house, but I have to demolish it, so that I can move to another place. So guys, that is the house in full. But I have to go and start again. It's always said that change is always good, and it's always good to start again. So that is the house. So guys, I'll be communicating with you every now and then so that I can show you how the progress of the other house is going. But for now, let's do what? Let's fry the githeri so that I can take lunch to my people. Then I'll be showing you the place. And guys, this is my onions. Yeah, time to fry the githeri. I'll also put this bell pepper to add taste. So guys, right now I'll add the githeri. For the salt I had put earlier when it was boiling, so I'll not add. I'll just cover it so that it can simmer for like 2 minutes, then I remove it from the fire. And guys, my husband is within among the guys who are leveling the ground, and he has told me to take porridge to them, so I have decided to cook porridge so that I can take them with the lunch I'm taking. Yeah. So guys, that is my porridge. It's boiling. So meanwhile, as it cooks, I'll just pack the food. Yeah, I'll just put the githeri in a dish. Then I'll come and check my porridge later. So guys, I've packed everything. This is the porridge and this is the food. I'm just carrying it with my favorite basket. Yeah, so let's meet there, guys. And guys, this is the place, as you can see. It has some small trees, but they have to be uprooted. Yeah. This is the whole place. It's not that big. As I told you guys, I will continue showing you the progress as we move on. And those are my people, my husband and another guy. They are the one doing the work. They are taking porridge at now. And guys, as you can see, I have also planted this type of flowers for the fence. And guys, now I just want to serve them lunch. Then I go back home so that I can continue with the other course at home. So guys, I'm just going back home. I have served them food. So now it's time to go back home. So allow me to end the video there. Till the next video. For now it's a bye-bye. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. Yeah, and I will appreciate, guys. Let's meet in the next video, guys.